Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can add a contact number onto your BotPenguin account from the inbox in the contact section. So let's get started. Simply open your inbox and go to contacts here. And once you go to contacts, you will get this option of add WhatsApp contacts. Click on that and it will ask for the name. Let's give the name. It will ask the email id, provide the email id, ask the phone number, give the phone number. Then from here you have to select which bot you want to, or which agent you want to assign to this particular contact. Let's say I am going to assign this bot. Click on add contacts and the number will be added successfully. So this is how you can add the number uh, to your account from the inbox in the BotPenguin platform itself. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.